Okay.
So why don't you also collect some signatures from India?
My God, so
and
this
send
is
it
a joint
here?
letter.
Because the prerogative of giving visa lies with the US government.
No,
so that's why they wanted
are
to
you saying
impress.
what's going on here?
I'm only afraid that we are blowing out of proportion.
What's going on here,
I
Mr.
mean, are
Mr.
the
Sanjay
Indian
Jha?
MPs
what's-
owning allegiance to the US Congress now?
What's going
That
on here?
American MPs are telling them what letter to write and what not to write? This is even more intriguing.
What's going on here, Mr. Sanjay Jha, in your view? That the Muslim Association of the United States is telling...
I don't know. I mean,
And some,
you don't know?
congressmen from the US.
You don't know? You're not surprised at what's going... They're trying to put some... We've got 44 Senate
1
members.
minute,
Now
1
you
minute.
go
Arnab,
collect
let me
some
tell
Indian
you,
MPs.
Based on
What is going on here?
based on what I'm hearing,
Yes.
1 minute, there is an organization called APCO and many others who do lobbying for Mr. Modi and the BJP. Maybe this is an organization, I have no idea. Maybe
Well,
they're doing
we-
lobbying against Mr. Modi.
We
getting
have
a visa
already
in the
stated
US.
on
I
record
don't see what the
there is
story
no
I really don't
organization
find-
doing lobbying
1
for
minute,
Mr.
Piyush
Modi.
Goyal-
He's
Piyush
raising
Goyal can
irrelevant
open his
issues,
internet
trying to
and read
divert
out
the
what he
subject as
already
usual.
knows.
He
But let me
never
tell you
has an
the
answer
truth.
to the point.
Truth is
He
that there
never
are
has an answer to your
65
debate.
MPs
I suggest
or
you
56
start
MPs who
insisting
don't want
that
Mr.
your
Modi to get a
panelists
US
stick to the
visa.
debate. Where is APCO, who Mr. Modi has no agency in the US? This is complete nonsense that Mr. Jha is saying
No, did it? No, I have...
and alleging all sorts of nonsense and not answering a charge about these 9 forgeries.
I find this extremely interesting, what Mr. Pasha is revealing tonight on the news.
No, but 1 second. Arnab, I completely...
One second. So you outsourced the job. So Mr. Pasha, you had outsourced the job. This group in the US outsourced the job to you to go and get signatures from Indian MPs. Then what did you do? You went around getting the signatures.
No, it is not. You see, they just told me that they already collected some 44 signatures. So they said because this massacre and genocide took place in India, so in the wake of US administration once again thinking of reviewing the decision, why don't you also request some MPs to sign and send it to...
So Achyutan also signed. There's an MP from your party. There's an MP from your party who you say signed the letter, Mr. Achyutan? Mr. Achyutan signed the letter?
I don't know. He says he don't remember because it is a matter which occurred some 8 months earlier. I don't know whether he remembers or not.
No, he says he hasn't signed the letter. You are contradicting a member of your own party. Who are we to believe? What's going on here? All kinds of things being revealed on the news are tonight that the initiative was in America. It was some group in America that outsourced the signing of letters to somebody in India. 9 MPs say we did not sign. Members of parliament are contradicting. There are demands for a criminal investigation. Do you think there should be a criminal investigation, Mr. Ratan Puri, into what was going on here?
Why shouldn't? If somebody has leveled an allegation that his signatures have been forged, that there be forensic examination of those signatures. But I am worried for Mr. Adib. He may not be having the original letter. Now he may have to request again the US government to bail him out to get that original letter.
No, it's not a laughing matter, is it?
You're making, I believe...
It's not a laughing matter, is it, Mr. Ratan Puri? Do you believe somewhere? No, do you believe somewhere?
You're telling me that if I disagree with the Prime Minister of India, I am committing blasphemy. But this blasphemy is being committed by Mr. Modi day in and day out. Today he has tried to vilify the most revered Prime Minister of independent India, Jawaharlal Nehru. We know him as the builder of independent India. We know him that he has built the most...
Well, that is, we are not discussing
India,
politics
he
here.
Is vilifying him.
We are discussing national interest.
Yes,
we are discussing national policy. Do we take our domestic political fights to foreign shows? Do we discuss our internal affairs and internal politics in the US Senate or in US Congress?
This is 9 months old.
Whether it's 9 months old or of yesterday, it is immaterial.
To help Mr. Modi.
Gentlemen, whether it's 9 months old or 9 years old, Indian politics is not discussed overseas, it's discussed in India.
No, your politics is not acceptable to us. No, you cannot browbeat us and you cannot frighten us.
For your information,
Suresh Prabhu.
For your information,
you are not taken out of the
Suresh Prabhu.
For your information, Arnab, give me a moment. We were all in the UK and Oxford. We were a parliamentary delegation studying in Oxford. 8 or 9 MPs from all parties. In a student interaction with the students of Oxford,
Yes.
one of the students asked about Narendra Modi being denied a visa
Yeah.
in the UK.
Yeah.
Before I could answer, one of the signatories in this letter who was with us, he
Name the person.
himself
Name the person.
answered, and he said,
Name the person.
no foreign
Name the
country
person.
can deny a visa to an Indian national.
I request
and
you-
he insisted
you must-
that UK cannot deny that visa.
Mr. Piyush Goyal, you're making a charge without naming the person. I said
hope-
name the person
I
on
can
the
name
program
the
today.
person, but I'm hoping that person will come on record.
You name the
and
person.
say that he said this in UK.
That's a big allegation. One
It's
second.
not an allegation.
I assure you.
compliment that person because when we are abroad,
No,
we never bring in politics.
One second, one
My
second.
leader, Mr. LK Advani
One
in the
second.
UN,
One second.
praised Manrega.
One second.
The implementation of which I and all my leaders
No, one
criticize.
second. I'm saying I'm
But
making.
when we are abroad, we praise India, we praise Indian
Nobody
policy.
has a right to a
If-
visa of any country.
No, one second. Piyush Goyal says he knows the name of one person.
Gets approved.
Piyush
It's a
Goyal
ridiculous
says.
statement by Piyush Goyal.
One second. Piyush
It's
Goyal
another
says.
ridiculous statement by Piyush
Piyush Goyal
There's
says.
nothing ridiculous in it, Sanjay.
Calm down, gentlemen. Piyush Goyal says there is a member of parliament who has said things against what is in the letter when he is at a seminar in Oxford. And in this letter, he takes another position. I assure you, one minute, I assure you, if you name the person, I will get that person on the phone line right now.
I hope he comes himself.
Right now.
The question is...
Name the person.
The question is,
Name the
I
person.
complimented the person after the interaction.
Name him.
Because when
Name
we
him.
are out of India,
Name him.
we all support India. We don't get into politics.
You are calling that person a hypocrite. Name the person.
No, I'm not. I don't want to engage in that. That's for the person to realize and apologize for signing this letter.
Politics.
Name
and
the
saying
person.
that he should be denied a visa.
Name the person.
Well, I hope you can ask that person or you can ask the
I
members.
will, but you name the person.
This occasion to
One
I
second,
think
name the person.
I'm being fair to a colleague in the delegation who had actually stood up for the right cause, stood up for India
name
and
the
did not
person.
bring politics.
Name the person.
I suggest you ask the person to come on himself.
Name the
Let the
person.
person take a conscience
Tell me who
call
to ask. I've got
and decide.
my phone number, my phone. There are 3 people outside who will call the person right now and get him on the name the person.
Well, I'm being fair. Like you have journalistic privileges, I'm giving my colleague MP the privilege of being a member of parliament.
Come on.
I think in all fairness, he should apologize
Lok Sabha
for
or
signing
Rajya
this
Sabha?
letter.
Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha?
He should apologize
Lok Sabha or
for
Rajya
signing
Sabha?
this letter because he had stood up for the right cause 1 year ago. I'm surprised how he signed such a letter, unless his signature is also a forgery.
Name the person.
Well, I leave it for that person's conscience
No,
because
you
he
don't-
had stood up for the
You're
right
not
cause
naming
in
the person.
Oxford and I had complimented him.
Was Asaduddin Owaisi with you when you went to Oxford?
I'm
Are you
not
talking
getting
of
into a
Asaduddin Owaisi?
debate. I'm not getting into a debate on the person. I'm going at the cause. The cause is that when we are outside India or when we are dealing with foreign policy, India stands united.
Well-
And the BJP
Arnab, I
always
think
supports
you're
the
not just
government
reading
in
my
power,
mind.
Was it-
whichever
You're
it may
reading
be,
Piyush Goyal's
when there
mind.
is
Was
a
it
national
Mausam Noor as-
issue in the interest of India.
Was it Mausam Noor, Ritish,
Yes, and
Rama
The
Subbu,
interest of
Asaduddin
India
Owaisi,
is
anyone else?
primary.
Suresh
Every
Prabhu.
member of parliament signs.
Suresh Prabhu, criminal investigation, will that help solve this in your view? Should there be a criminal investigation and who should it be against on this alleged forgery?
No, if it is the member themselves are saying that they never signed a letter, and as just one of the person was saying, because I'm not able to hear properly because I'm in Mumbai, far away from that place, but somebody was saying that the letter was already prepared by the United States, so there is a foreign hand.
Yeah, foreign
The
hand.
Congress party always talks about there is a foreign hand in everything. So I think the foreign hand that they keep talking about is very visible now. But the point is that this foreign hand signed a letter, so the hand wrote the letter, and it said that 25 signatures are already collected. So which is that what Sitaram Yechuri said is right. It's a cut and paste because 25 signatures are collected by somebody else. Some other member signed something else. And what people claim now they have signed is not really the content of the letter. So I think really it calls for a serious review of the entire process. And one more thing which is really important is all the members of parliament as a body should actually be trying to protect the rights of all the citizens of India. Here we are going to another country telling them violate the right of a citizen of India,
Mr. Pasha,
which is the right to have.
Mr. Pasha, you don't regret taking instructions from somebody in the United States to do something like this?
I need not take instruction from anybody. If something is
You have.
really good advice, because I am convinced, that's why I could,
Arnab,
not
this is
because somebody has
starting to
directed me,
hear all these
because I am
things.
convinced that whatever has happened in Gujarat is really regrettable. So, because the prerogative of giving visa lies with them, even though we don't
Arnab,
agree
even
with
when
several
the
policies
worst-
of US.
Yeah, Arnab, even
they
when
are
the
not the
worst
persons
massacre
who are
of
offending
independent
human rights
India in
violation.
1984, 5,000 Indians, 5,006 were
Arnab,
killed
let me
in
just make
broad
one
daylight
quick
in
point.
Delhi by the
Suresh
then
Prabhu-
government led by the
Suresh
Congress
Prabhu
and
seemed
by
very
the
worried
father of the
about
current
the
Skion
foreign
and husband
hand.
of the
Suresh
chairperson
Prabhu
of the
keeps talking
UPA.
about the
We
fact
never
that
took
we should
that
be
to
worried
foreign
about the
shows.
prestige.
We fought the
Well,
political
let me tell
issues
you, Mr.
within
Suresh
India.
Prabhu,
Even we
what
didn't
damaged
demand that the
India's
visa should not be given to them.
internationally, what the
We had
events in Gujarat
orchestrated that
2002.
crime and many
there
of whom
that
are
was a
convicted in
domestic
court.
event. Please don't ignore the reality.
Well, Sanjay Jha, Shantaram Naik, Anand Bhaskar,
No, one
Rapalu,
minute.
Saeed
There was a
Pasha.
domestic event, Mr. Prabhu. I wish you were embarrassed and humiliated about the way we treated
Mr.
our own
Sanjay
fellow
Jha, let me tell
citizens.
you.
I
in
wish
Gujarat.
you were
You're worried
embarrassed
about
and
international
humiliated
prestige and
about the
reputation. That was damaged
5,006.
in 2002, courtesy Mr. Narendra Modi.
I hope
should
you
be
were
ashamed of
embarrassed.
saying that.
I hope you were embarrassed and humiliated about the 5,006 who were murdered, chopped in broad daylight in Delhi in 1984 under the watch of your Prime Minister, when for 7 days Mr. I.K. Gujral, Mr. Chandrasekhar kept pleading with you and your leaders, bring the army in. And for 7 days you didn't bring the army and let people be massacred.
We will-
I hope you
Arnab,
were
I want to debate
humiliated
this with
when
Piyush Goyal on a
58
day
people
when
were
you make
burnt
this a
alive in
topic.
Godhra.
Just to let
Where
you
were
know,
you at that time?
Anand Bhaskar, Rapalu, before I wrap up, if somebody had forged my letter, if somebody, Anand Bhaskar, Rapalu,
future steps.
Mr. Rapalu,
You haven't even had the decency
Mr.
to
Rapalu,
apologize for
Yeah.
what happened.
Mr. Rapalu,
Yes.
if somebody
It's a
had,
monumental shame.
if somebody had forged my signature, I assure you, I would have gone to the bottom of it. I would have taken them to court, and I would have instituted criminal proceedings. Are you scared that your party will punish you if you ask for a criminal investigation into who forged your signature? Are you scared?
It is surprising and shocking, Mr. Arnab. Indian National Congress believes in fair deal to each and every individual, and myself, I am not at all interested in this type of forgery activity, and it is very shocking that it is also having the overseas connection in this letter and its
You should immediately go to the police station.
presentation, and this is not the way. Normally Indian National Congress will not look towards like that, and we have umpteen number of issues to deal with and
Sir,
to
but I'm telling
put
you,
before the
no,
Indian
no, sir,
Go to the
population.
nearest
it
police station.
but tonight our episode
There
of
is no
Newsar has
necessity of
proved,
us to,
sir, our episode of Newsar has proved that there is a foreign hand behind this letter in the first place. That's it. And
It's
you're
shocking.
will you go to the police station and get a criminal
FIR.
investigation now filed into this? Will you file an FIR?
let me first look at the
Okay.
papers that they
We'll-
have circulated. They tried
I
to
think
send
the
to
chairman of
and,
Rajya
let
Sabha
me
and the
see the
speaker of Lok Sabha should
exact
suo
paper,
moto
then what to do, we
institute
will
the
be
inquiry
deciding
and
on our
file
own
the
as a
complaint.
I'm going to send Mr. Anand Bhaskar Rapalu a copy of his forged signature. And then we'll ask him tomorrow whether he's going to file the FIR. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining me on debate number 1.